Telegram login problem. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram login problem in less than 50 seconds. So all what you have to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi and disable it, then go back and go to the apps manager page on your phone, go to apps and then go to Telegram like this, and here on this page click on this force stop option and then go to the storage, click here on manage space. It will take you to this page. Click here on clear local database and then click here on clear if you are sure. Now go back, open the data usage on the app informations and then disable all those options and enable them again. Now go back to the settings and reopen the Wi-Fi or turn it on, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.